Khathi Bonga ngokuvakasha kwengonyama yesizwe samawari indlulamithi yamakhosi ithe lokhu kuvuselelwa okungcwele kokuxhumana kwamathonga phakathi kwabantu bakwaZulu nabesizwe sama-Itsekiri.
Though separated through geography, we are united by our legacies, by our kinships, and by our enduring role as custodians of African dignity, culture, and heritage.
Ukuvakasha kwendlunkulu yamawari kungenzeka kuvulele amathuba okuhwebelana phakathi kwalezizwe ezimbili.
This pledge, Your Majesty, signed on my behalf and your behalf, on behalf of our royal families, lays the foundation for cooperation in the following critical areas, Your Majesty. Socio-economic cooperation, cultural exchange, potential investment between our two kingdoms.
There are two people, pre-colonial times, that I would say are the face that inspired this African continent, that we are capable of great things. One was Emperor Menelik of Ethiopia when he defeated the Italians. The second example would be your ancestor, of whom you are his heir and you sit on his throne today, Shaka himself, who also let the world know that Africa is not easily overcome.
Ingonyama Ogiyame Aduwatse wesithathu yagcotshwa mhla zingama-21 kuNcwaba ka-2021 ineminyaka engama-33. Njengoba isineminyaka engama-37 nje, ingonyama encane kakhulu ukuthatha isihlalo esesihlalwe ngamakhosi angama-20.